What's the meaning of assume? Assume. Assume.
Assume. Assume. Assume means to take something for granted without proof or confirmation. It often involves making an inference or conclusion based on incomplete or uncertain information. For example, if someone says, "I assume it's going to rain tomorrow," they are making a guess or estimation based on the current weather forecast or other factors. However, assumptions can be dangerous because they may lead to incorrect conclusions or actions. Therefore, it is important to verify or confirm assumptions to ensure that they are accurate and reliable.